Ranveer has now moved the Supreme Court, in fact, in that legal step, seeking quashing of FIRs. The clubbing and quashing of FIRs is what has been sought in this urgent hearing, but has been refused. The CJI has said will hear matter as per procedure, and CJI assures hearing of the case. But while we speak about that significant development, what we're given to understand is that this matter has now reached the top court, given the aspect that Ranveer Allahabadiya has now moved the Supreme Court in this matter. More importantly, was seeking to quash the multiple FIRs. Remember, a case was filed not just in Mumbai, but also in... All right, taking that across to Harish Nair, my colleague, joining me with more details. Harish, good morning. Significant development. While we understand that the urgent hearing has been refused by the top court, the CJI has assured to hear the case as per protocol. Harish?
Yes, Ranveer Allahabadiya has moved the Supreme Court seeking clubbing of FIR, saying FIRs have been lodged against him for the obscene and vulgar comments made during the show India's Got Latent, and he has sought the clubbing of the FIRs, and later he'll say quashing of the FIR. And this comes at a time when the Khar police has already summoned him for again today for 3 p.m. Investigation is going on, questioning is going on. At the same time, the Assam police has also filed an FIR. He's apprehending arrest. So he says that let all matters be clubbed and heard and trial be held in Mumbai. But today Supreme Court has refused hearing, saying that very soon a date will be given and the date will be made known. But as of now, today there is no hearing in the petition filed by Ranveer Allahabadiya seeking clubbing of the FIRs, and the date will be made known very soon.
Right, Harish. Thank you very much for getting us more inputs as far as that is concerned. Remember, this is also coming on the backdrop of how Ranveer has been asked to appear before the Khar police station after he failed to show up for a previous summon. So you're looking at significant legal developments. But for now, we leave it at that. Let's shift our focus to big news that we're tracking from the south, where in